Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to start NCERT Class 7 Chapter 9 of Geography, Life in the Temperate Grasslands. Our today's topic is Life in the Temperate Grasslands. We know that forests are the places where trees are grown. Where forests are the places where trees are the main type of vegetation. Just like that, grasslands are the regions where grasses form dominant type of plant life. Then grasslands make up 1/4 of the total land surface. The climate plays a great role in formation of grasslands of any place. So we can divide world's grasslands into two parts. First is tropical region and the second is temperate region. First vegetation is that type of vegetation that occurs in the tropical region, and the second type of vegetation is that occurs in the temperate region. Now, in tropical region, we see the areas. This is the equator, and this is the Tropic of Cancer, and this is Tropic of Capricorn. The area from equator between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is known as tropical region. In Australia, we have Murray-Darling Basin, and in South, these are known as Pampas. South America, these are known as Pampas, and in North America, these are known as prairies. And in South Africa, they are known as velds. In Eurasia, these are known as steppes. Means we can say in different regions, these vegetations or regions are known as by a different type of name. Then comes the vegetation that occur in the temperate region. We can say the area above 23 degree, means we can say the area above the Tropic of Cancer and the below the Tropic of Capricorn, from 23 degree to 66.5 degree north, and same in the south. This area is known as temperate region. So we have seen that grasses form 1/4 of the vegetation of the world's vegetation. So on the basis of the grasslands, we can divide them into two parts, tropical region and temperate region. In tropical region, grasslands are known by different names, and in temperate region, these are known as temperate vegetation. So we have seen that grasslands forms a major part of the world's area. Then here our main topic or main concentration will be on the topic of velds and prairies. We will be studying about veld as well as the prairies. First of all, we will talk about prairies. The word prairies originated from Latin word praeta, which means meadow. It originated from Latin word praeta, which means meadow. Then the location. The area where prairies are found is the region between Canada and United States. Then these are found between Rocky Mountains. These are the treeless areas near low-lying plains. The major rivers which flow in this area are: in US, major river that flowing here is Mississippi, and in Canada that is Saskatchewan River. Then the climate. Now we will talk about the climate of the prairies. It is located in the heart of the continent, means we can say it is located in the center of the continent. Climate is of continental type with extreme temperature. Then summers can be warmer as 20 degrees Celsius and winters at -20 degree. In winters, thick blanket of snow covers this region, means we can say too much cold is found in this region in winters. Then the rainfall in this area is very moderate rainfall. In this area, the hot winds blow. Those winds are called Chinook. Those winds are similar to the Loo. Then trees found here are having very less portion trees are found here, means we can say very less vegetation is found in this area, and the major area has the grasslands. So we have seen that the prairies are treeless areas near low-lying plains, and these are located in the heart of the continent. Summers can be warmer too much in colds, In winters, the cold is too much. Then hot winds blow in this area are known as Chinook. Those are similar to the Lu in the northern plains. Then trees found here are having very less portion. Then major area has the grasslands in the prairies. As we are talking about the prairies, we will talk about the flora and fauna found here. Here trees like willows, alders and poplar trees grow in this area, and food cultivation is also done on a larger scale. The main foods, the main cultivation of maize, potato, cotton and soybean is done in this area. Rainfall is also less in this area. Due to less rainfall, very short grasses grow here. Then major activity of the people here is cattle rearing. Because the cattle rearing, the farms where cattle are reared are known as ranches, and the person who takes care of the cattle is known as cowboy. Then American buffalo. The bison is an important animal known as bison is an important animal found here. Then hunting of wild animals is also done. Animals found here are rabbits, gophers and prairie dog are found here. So we have seen that in flora and fauna, trees like willows, alders and poplars trees are grown in this area. Due to scanty rainfall, only small bushes or small grasses are grown here, and major activity of the people of this area is cattle rearing, and the places where cattle are reared are known as ranches, and the person who looks after the cattle is known as cowboy. Then the hunting of wild animals is also done. In wild animals there are rabbits, gophers and prairie dog are found here. Now we will talk about the people, that what type of people are found in the prairies. The people here are very hard-working people. They do very hard work. Then USA and Canada, the most developed countries of the world, are located in the prairies. USA and Canada, the most developed countries of the world, are developed in the prairies. They people use scientific methods of cultivation. Then they people use tractors, harvesters and combines for the cultivation. That's the reason why they people are having high yield of the product. Then the prairies are also known as the granaries of the world. Huge amount of wheat production is done. As the people are using scientific methods of cultivation, that's why huge production of wheat is done here. Then dairy farming is also the major activity of the people living here. Apart from it, mineral deposits of iron and coal are also here. Then there is also a dense network of roadways, railways and canals. This is the major industrialized region in the world. We can say prairies are the most industrialized region in the world. So we have seen that people here are hardworking. USA and Canada, the most developed countries of the world, are also located in this region. They people use scientific methods of cultivation. They use tractors, harvesters and combines. And this is known as the granaries of the prairie is known as the granaries of the world. Huge amount of wheat production is done here, and dairy farming is also major activity of the region. Huge amounts of mineral deposits, we can say iron and coal, are found here. Then there is a dense network of roadways, railways and canals, and prairies is known as the most industrialized region in the world. As we are talking about two types of major grasslands, the pampas and the velds. Now we will talk about the velds. The location. These are the temperate grasslands of South Africa. These are the rolling plateaus with heights from 600 to 1100 meters. Then they are bound by Drakensberg mountain on the east side. To west there is Kalahari desert. About the location we will repeat again. These are the temperate grasslands of South Africa. These are the rolling plateaus with heights from 600 to 1100 meters. Then they are bound by Drakensberg mountain on the east. To the west there is Kalahari desert. This was about the location. Now we will talk about the climate. It lies in the southern hemisphere. We can say the velds lie in the southern hemisphere. They experiences winters during during May to June. We can say the winter season here is from May to June or July. Then in northern hemisphere, winters are in, this is as it is located in the southern hemisphere, so it experiences winters from May to July, whereas in northern hemisphere we experience winters in December, from December to February. Then scanty rainfall is here in the welts from June till August. Scanty rainfall is there from June to August. Then major rivers that drain here are Orange and Limpopo River. Then the production of maize, wheat, barley, oats and potatoes is done in the wells. So we have seen that these are the temperate grasslands of South America, South Africa. Then the climate, as it lies in the southern hemisphere, so this is the reason why this area experiences winters during May to July, wherever in northern hemisphere we experience winters from December to February. Then scanty rainfall is found in the welts and it is from June till August. Scanty rainfall is found from June to August. Then major rivers that drain here are Orange and Limpopo River. And the production of maize, wheat, barley, oats and potatoes is done in the welts. Now comes the flora and fauna of the welts. Very less type of vegetation is found in this area. Common vegetation found here is red grass. Then trees like acacia and morolo are seen here. Common animals found here are lion, leopard, kudu and cheetah. So we have seen very less flora and fauna is found here. Vegetation is very less. Common vegetation that is found here is red grass. Then trees like acacia, morola are seen here. Common animals lion, leopard, kudu and cheetah are found here. Now we will talk about the people of this area. People do cattle rearing and mining activity. The land is fertile. Due to fertile land, maize, wheat, barley, oats and potato, the production of these crops is done here. Cash crops grown here are tobacco, sugarcane and cotton. Then, the main occupation of the people here is sheep rearing. The wool of merino sheep is very warm. We have seen that people do cattle rearing and mining activity. Land is fertile. That's why people grow maize, wheat, barley, oats and potato. Apart from it, cash crops grown here are tobacco, sugarcane and cotton. Sheep rearing is also the main occupation of the people here. Then the wool of merino sheep is very warm. Now, dairy farming is also very important occupation of the people here. People produce butter and cheese. The production is done both for domestic supply as well as for the export. Then, this area is rich in minerals. Iron and steel industry has developed a lot in this area. Apart from it, gold and diamond mining is the major occupation of the people here. Then Johnsonburg is the gold capital, is known as the gold capital in the world. Then Kimberley, it is famous for diamond mining. As we have talked that gold and diamond mining is the major occupation of the people here. And this area has a developed network of transport also. So we have seen that the people in the velds and the prairies are having different type of vegetation and different type of flora and fauna are here, and people are engaged in different types of activities. So this was all about this chapter, life in the temperate grasslands. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.